What's up guys, Joey here of YugaTech, and we're back with yet another episode of What's in My Bag. Last time we had Abe on the show, now we're taking a look what's inside my bag. Before we get to the bag, let's start with my pockets. Left pocket, I have my daily driver phone. It's the Google Pixel 3. I have a rugged case on it. There's that. Right pocket, I just have my wallet, and since I've been trying to quit cigarettes, I have my small vape. Small. For the bag itself, so everybody on the team pretty much carries a backpack, but me, call me a hipster, call me a tito, but I carry a briefcase. So this is the Model 01 briefcase from a small startup company in the US called Daniels NYC. I got this when they were on, I think it was either Kickstarter or Indiegogo. It's a very nice briefcase. Should be more expensive, but I got it for $150. Okay, so let's open this up. Just a zipper here, and what's this? Leaks. Sorry, Isol. Alright, main compartment. I carry a water bottle, insulated. It's from a company called Built. Always stay hydrated. Now, the main laptop compartment can fit up to a 17-inch laptop, I think, or a 15-inch laptop. But for me, I carry a Razer Blade Stealth with a neoprene pouch, also from Razer. So this is the 2017 Razer Blade Stealth. Doesn't have MX150 like the new ones do now, but 7th generation i7 processor, 16 gigs of RAM, and a 256GB SSD. It's great for productivity. Next up, in the laptop compartment, also, I carry my cleaning tools, which are this Sony microfiber cloth. I clean my laptop with that, and this brush, which has Asus on it. So I have dogs. I have 2 dogs at home, and my laptop gets full of dog hair all the time. I need this to brush it off. Alright, outside compartments. In this zipper over here, we have earphones. These are the Jabra Elite 45E. Not wireless because there's a neck wire, but these are Bluetooth headphones I use. They're pretty good for all situations. They're just reliable, long battery life, decent sound. Also here I keep my phone charger for my Pixel 3, and I keep my laptop charger. And over here in this front compartment, I keep my Tito essentials. Most important, I have my Nivea moisturizer. I have my eucalyptus camphor oil inhaler. Thank you, Louis. I have my essential oils for when I have a headache, and vape juice. In this zipper, I don't carry anything in this zipper. But in this quick access compartment over here, I keep a card sharp foldable knife that opens up like this. I use this for unboxing sometimes. And I have a pair of sunglasses. Now back to the main compartment. Over here, I carry a lot of tech accessories in this pouch. One of my most prized possessions, I have a blue Logitech MX Anywhere 2S mouse. It's my favorite mouse of all time. If you want a reliable wireless laptop mouse, get the MX Anywhere. Wired earphones for my Google Pixel 3. If my Jabras are out of battery, I'll use this. Dongle, Type-C to 3.5mm audio jack. I have this small micro USB cable for charging my mouse or my vape. Cable organizer that has my name on it. And a Type-C OTG dongle. So this can plug into the bottom of my phone, and I can plug something like my 1TB Transcend rugged hard drive. So I store all my personal files and some work files here, like so. You can use an OTG like that. But back to the hard drive. This has been my trusted hard drive since I was in college. It has survived this long because it's rugged. See? And it's gonna work just fine. Another micro USB cable. I think this one is for, yeah, this one is for the mouse. Next, I have my power bank. So this is a very bright colored power bank. It's from Yell. I got this at the Digital Walker sale for like 900 pesos. It's very simple. It doesn't have any power delivery or anything. It just gets the job done. It's 11,200 milliamp hours. It has 2 USB-A outputs and it charges with micro USB. It has this very cool case. So inside, it's even more yellow on the inside. Look, looks kind of like a hard drive. It's like cheese. All right, that's my power bank. What else? I have a notebook, but it's not actually a notebook. It looks like a notebook when you open it. It's a notepad. And there's a pencil compartment. In here, I have these pockets. The briefcase has 3 pen pockets, which are perfectly fit for Pilot G2 pens. I have 3 of them. In this pocket over here, I keep a card reader. So this takes SD and micro SD cards. On one side, it's Type-C. On the other side, it's Type-A, but you can pull out a little micro USB. OTG. It's a very useful micro SD card reader. Next, I have a sharpener. I have a tape measure. Really compact. Next up in this pocket, I just keep my business cards. And there's a little keyring here that I use to keep my car keys, office keys. What? This is yours? This is yours, right? Kaninong lip tint to? This is yours, AJ? Sometimes when I do A-roll, I use lip tint. Because it makes my lips look more pink. Lip tint. Not sponsored. Who put this in my bag? So that's it, guys. That's the contents of my bag. There's not as much tech in here as some of the other team members. I don't like to carry a lot of tech around with me, just the essentials. So thanks for watching, guys. Next month, we're going to be featuring another team member, so stay tuned for that. If you like this video, please do hit the thumbs up button, subscribe for more content, hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit YugaTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Joey, this has been my boring bag, and I'll see you guys in the next one.